at, let's say, around 700 plus miles an hour. And the sound is propagating, Now, sound is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface, but sound from a three-dimensional perspective is an expanding sphere. See, I can never pronounce it, that would expanding bubble. So we have the sound. The real deal has arrived. Correspondence and dichotomy, I apologize, the paradoxical phenomenon between amplitude and frequency. Let's discuss amplitude and frequency. Be very afraid, because I'm the real deal.
Amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration. So amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration or oscillation of waves.
This is my mini library. I have a much bigger library. So,